Wecon high-speed cartoning machine is an automation equipment. It can efficiently and quickly load products into cartons. It has significant advantages in improving production efficiency, reducing labor costs, and ensuring packaging quality, which can be widely used in pharmaceutical, food, cosmetics, and daily necessities industries. Wecon high-speed cartoning machine solution. It is equipped with Wecon PI series HMI, LX5V series PLC, and VD2 series servo. Features high speed, high precision, and strong integration. Taking pharmaceutical packaging as an example, the process of this scheme is as follows. Manuals enter the conveyor belt through the roller. After labeling the medicine bottles on the machine, one piece of manuals is matched with one medicine bottle through the conveyor belt. To complete the loading of the medicine bottles and manuals, a vacuum nozzle catches a carton, lowers it to the carton conveyor belt, and opens the carton at the same time. Pushes the medicine bottle and the manuals into the carton by a pushing mechanism to complete the packing of carton. Then, the carton sealing mechanism folds the dust flaps, and the top flap is inserted into the carton to complete the carton sealing. Through rapid and continuous operation, this solution significantly enhances production efficiency, reduces man. It can ensure packaging consistency and precision, improve product quality, and help companies meet industry standards such as GMP. The high integration capability of Wecon's high-speed cartoning machine enables the automated cartoning system to be seamlessly connected with other automated equipment, such as labeling machines, coding machines, and testing equipment, etc., to form a complete automated production line.